We are in this building in Pueblo here with some Otis Lexan elevators. Nice. Otis. Oh, they're modded. Surprise. Modded by Otis, though. It says Otis on the panel. Well, they replaced the Lexan fixtures. Phone cabinet, Otis phone. Definitely still relay logic. 3-door. Now listen to this motor when it goes up. We'll hear the motor. Listen to these relays. So it's just a slap-on mod.